So you've got your Epson ET-3760 printer and you want to print it in a vibrant, beautiful color and it's not printing anything. Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when you need those documents or photos urgently. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get your Epson ET-3760 printing again. Or if you need additional help, you can call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Let's get started now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, go to your printer's control panel. Then scroll to the right using the arrow buttons until you see Maintenance and select it by pressing OK. Now, tap on the printhead nozzle check and press OK to continue. When your printer prompts you to load paper, place a few sheets in the paper tray. After that, simply tap on Print and let your printer do its thing. It will print out a test page showing all the colors. Once the page comes out, take a quick look at it. If you see broken lines or missing lines in any of the colors, that's how you'll know which ink nozzle is clogged. Now, you need to press the Home button on your printer's control panel to go back to the main menu. After that, navigate to the Maintenance option using the right arrow button and then press OK. Next, go to the Printhead Cleaning option and hit the OK button. Once you see the confirmation screen appear, select Start to proceed with cleaning process. Now, the cleaning process will start automatically and it will take around 3 minutes to complete. Just be patient and let it run. Once the printhead cleaning is complete, your printer will ask you to check the nozzle once again. If you want to verify that the cleaning worked, select the Check option. If you get perfect colors on the printed page this time, then your printer issue is fixed. Your Epson ET-3760 should be printing in beautiful, vibrant colors again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.